Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will gonna discuss about the basics of X-ray circuit. So let's start with this video. So my PPT contains at first a brief introduction of X-ray circuit and later the parts of X-ray circuit, and at last we will conclude the slide with some words. So, what is circuit? A circuit is nothing but a roughly circular line that starts and ends at the same place. That means if we draw a circular line that if from a or circular line or a semicircular line or a roughly circular line from a point, and it if it ends within the in the same point or in the same place, that means it creates a circuit. And now what is electronic circuit? So it is a junction of electronic components that connected with a conducting wire. That means which is capable of conducting the current or conducting the kV voltages from the one place to the from one circuit to another circuit, or from one junction to another junction. It calls a electronic circuit. Now what are X-ray circuits? X-ray circuit is one of type of electronic circuit, obviously, because X-ray is also uses current to generate X-rays. So X-ray circuit is also a one type of electronic circuit that is used in X-ray machines to generate X-rays. Now, what are the parts of X-ray circuit? So, X-ray circuits are made up of mainly two circuits. One is filament circuit and another is high voltage circuit. Filament circuit is later divided into primary circuit and secondary circuit, and high voltage circuit is also divided into primary circuit and secondary circuit. Now, what is primary circuit and what is secondary circuit? Now, in the context of electronic engineering, the primary circuit and secondary circuit are commonly used in the context of transformers and other devices that uses electromagnetic induction to transfer energy between circuits. Now, what is primary circuit? The primary circuit is the initial circuit that is connected to a generator, or it is mainly winded in the primary winding of a transformer. It is acts as a input current and or input material to a transformer. And now what is secondary circuit? The secondary circuit is mainly basically used for output current. That means this input current will be flow through this transformer, and output will be given through this secondary circuit. It is mainly connected in the secondary winding of the transformer, and it acts as a output current for a circuit. Let's see the basic anatomy of the X-ray circuit. So this here you can see this is the AC main current from where the whole X-ray circuit gets its electrical energy to operate. This is the main power switch from which you can turn on or turn off the electrical flow throughout the circuit. This is the auto transformer, which works on a basic principle of self-induction. That means it can rectify its own current, or it can transform its current in the desired way to maintain the stability of the current flow throughout the circuit. And this is the high voltage circuit whole thing. This is the high voltage circuit, and this is the filament circuit, and this is acts to provide required voltage to the tube, and this acts of required ampere or required MA to the tube. This is the primary circuit, and this is the circuit. This is the secondary circuit, and in between the primary circuit and secondary circuit, there is a step-up transformer which acts to increase the voltage that is flowing from the primary circuit to the secondary circuit. And this is the rectifiers, which mainly convert the AC current to the DC current, and this is a full wave rectifiers, also called bridge rectifiers. So it can convert the two phases of AC current into full wave DC, or full wave DC current. And this is the filament circuit. This is the primary circuit, and this is the secondary circuit. Now, in between the primary circuit and secondary circuit, there is a step down transformer, which acts to lower the voltage to maintain the required MA to the tube. And this is the rheostat, or you can say the MA selector, from which you can select the tube current to operate or to generate X-rays. Now, in conclusion, X-ray circuits are one of the main essential component of X-ray machines that enable the production of high-quality images of the body. And the circuit consists of several components, including the high-voltage generator, filament transformer, exposure timer, and many other things to generate X-rays or to generate X-rays to image the body. Thank you. And if you find this video informational or educational, please do like, comment, and subscribe to get more video like this.